What is going on, everybody? My name is Jade Fox. I am a content creator and comedian out here in LA. And as you guys have seen in this video here, I am embarking on my next chapter on my career path. I recently changed my name from Foxy Hot Mess to Jade Fox because your name really matters, especially your domain name. And that's what we're gonna be talking about today, because your domain name is something that is very important for you to take your business idea off the ground. Once you've built your Squarespace website, or if it's still a work in progress, Squarespace makes it so simple to purchase your domain and launch your brand website. They even offer a free domain with the purchase of an annual website subscription. When choosing a domain name, think of it as your brand's first impression. What is it that you want it to convey? And does it accurately reflect your brand? Most domains are short and memorable. So once you have a name in mind, let's go ahead and purchase your domain. To get started, in the home menu, click Settings, and then click Domains. Click Get a Domain, and then enter the name that you want. You will see a list of suggested available domains with various price ranges. If your desired domain name happens to be unavailable, don't worry. Squarespace will generate several different suggestions for you. Once you've decided on your domain name, click Add. You'll see an in-cart label next to your selected domain. Scroll to the bottom and click Proceed to Checkout. A registration form will pop up. Once you're done registering, click Continue. Provide your payment information and hit Continue one more time. An order summary will pop up displaying your payment method, domain name, and the price. If everything looks good, hit Place Order, and that's it. Stay tuned for more Squarespace videos where I go over Squarespace email campaigns, a tool that can help take your business to the next level. No matter if you're just starting out or if you've already got an established brand, Squarespace makes it very simple and affordable to reach out to people with email marketing campaigns. Before you head out, make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe to Squarespace's YouTube channel. Would love to see you comment below some of your really fun domain name ideas, and I will see y'all very soon in another video. Bye.